We've had the surveyors come out and mark the corners of the house. They also marked the property line. They staked it out. See, there's one corner here. And you can see the surveyors, what they do is they come in and they put this corner pin. They use GPS. So this is one corner, this little pin here. All right, so we completed the floorboards. This is the front entrance. Okay, as you can see, like here's one of the corners, the string line. Everything looks perfect. This is the top of the slab. This is the finished floor. So these boards are all at the same level all the way across. You can see like this house is like huge compared to what was here. We do have a porch that comes out here. This will have to be removed. So we cut, you can see we cut this. Cut this little slab here, and we'll just go ahead and remove this in the next couple days. Everything doesn't go smooth as planned. We forgot that there's pull equipment coming out of here, 2 pipes. So I got to dig those up and just make sure I know where they are and make sure that they're out of the way. detached garage. It's also, it is attached, but here's the other 1-car garage. There's a 2-car garage here. All of these are at the finished floor elevation of 120.66. It's good timing. Hey Chris, what's up?
How you doing?
Pretty good. What's up, man?
You railed up?
Yeah, it's ready. Put your Kevin Costner outfit on.
I can't wear boots. I'll tell you, man.
The next step will be on Friday. Our plumber's going to come out and they're going to start with the underground plumbing. We got the dock box set up. You want to know how we set this up and the steps involved and what's needed in the dock box? I did a video on that. See below. It's required to always have a porta potty inside. And then the next couple of days, we're going to get a dumpster. We're going to set a dumpster. So that's also needed. Today we're starting the underground plumbing with Lamar Stoke Plumbing, LSP.